Hey, it's Dr. Crow and Dr. Hooper, and we want to talk to you about having a confident smile. Cosmetic dentistry has really evolved over the years, and it's amazing to see our patients' smiles and confidence transform. Everyone has a different vision of how they want their smile to look. If something bothers you about your smile, we'd love to help. We can address any concerns about your smile. If you're worried your teeth are cracked or chipped, discolored or stained, or there are spacing and alignment problems, we're here to help. We can brighten your smile with teeth whitening, bonding, or porcelain veneers.
A concern that I had about my smile that East Brainerd Dentistry helped me resolve was some unevenness in my front teeth especially, and Dr. Hooper took care of that by kind of evening those out, and that's just made me feel so much better about my smile overall.
All we want is for you to have a smile that you're proud of. Let us know what you're looking to accomplish, and we can provide you with the best options to fit your needs. We'll also help you figure out the best payment plan that works for you. If you have any questions about your smile or would like to schedule a cosmetic consult with one of us, give us a call at 423-892-8169 or visit our website at eastbrainerddentistry.com.